Hi,
Oh, you.
I am fine. What about you?
Yeah, I am also good. And I want to know your name and about yourself also because I don't know. This is the first time when I am talking to you. So, can you tell me your name or where are you from?
Yes, my name is Akbar Ali. I am
Okay.
from West Bengal, Kolkata.
West Bengal, Kolkata.
Kolkata,
So,
yes.
I can
I live
say,
in
I
Kolkata.
yeah. No, I have never been, but I know the name of your state CM. The CM of your state is Mamta Banerjee.
Yes, yes, Mamata Banerjee,
Okay,
women chief
Mamta
minister.
Banerjee. Yeah, yeah. Chief Minister,
Uh,
see. Yeah, so
yes.
okay. So tell me, as I know that, are you beginner or your level is advanced?
No, no, advance. No, I am beginner. But
Okay.
I am Bengali medium student, but I cannot speak English fluently because
Okay.
I want to speak English fluently.
You want to speak English fluently, but right now you are not speaking very fluent. But I can see that you are speaking very well. Yeah, as I
No,
can.
no.
Yeah, you are
Something is
speaking very
good, something is not. Yes.
well. Okay. Some parts is good. Oh, so
Sir, I asked you two question. So, where are you from?
where? Oh, sorry. I
Where are you
forgot to
from?
introduce myself also. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Where I am, and my name is Himanshu Mishra. And if you have
Yes.
seen my video, Cambly videos, so you know about my name only. You know because most of the Cambly tutor, what is your name? I I repeat this name again and again, Himanshu Mishra. So it is very difficult
Sir,
for them to pronounce.
I
So
I know your name because your conversation calmly.
yes, yes, yes. And I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Yogi
So
Adityanath, Chief
oh my
Minister of
God. Yeah.
UP.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you know very well him. Okay. So great. Yeah. My CM
Yes,
is Yogi Adityanath. As
yes,
I
yes.
know, your state name, CM of your state, she is Mamta Banerjee. Didi, we call Didi. Yeah.
Didi, Didi.
Yes, yes, Didi. So, and
You know Bengali.
no, I don't know. I don't know. But I have, read some newspaper in which I got that, oh, Mamta Banerjee, people calls say to her, people say that she is Didi. Yeah,
Yes, Didi.
that's very good. So, do you have any
So
other question to ask me?
yes, yes, of course. So I
Yes,
I have question asked to you.
yes.
So what is your qualification?
Oh. You are the first person who asked my about my qualification. I have completed my BSc, my
Yes.
graduation, and again I completed my BA. There was a need because in my BSc I was a science student, but I thought that I want to be a good English speaker also, and I teach a student English. So it is necessary to you have to do graduation with your stream. So I joined English. I joined. Sorry, I completed my BA from English language and English
Yes, I thought
literature. Yeah.
I thought you honors English and masters English. So BSc, your
Yeah, BSc
qualification
is not.
BSc.
Yeah.
So your
After that,
English
I.
fluency is good and
Oh
very
my
well.
God. Thank you. Thanks for your compliment. Okay.
So
But you are also speaking very well. Don't worry. And do you want to be fluent in English?
yes, yes.
Okay. So are you
I would
practicing
like to.
with an
Yes, of course. I
with whom?
practicing with yeah
With whom?
with
With your friend?
from 2 months
Oh, for 2 months you are practicing. I
for
am
two
asking you.
months.
Yeah, with whom you are practicing English?
Yes, myself.
Is
So
myself.
video camera recording recording
Okay,
system. So
okay,
recording myself.
okay, okay. So you don't have a speaking partner? You
No,
don't
sir.
have speak. Okay, don't
I
worry.
don't have only speaking
I
partner.
am your speaking. I am your speaking partner. You don't worry. Okay.
Oh,
Whenever
okay.
you are
Thanks. Thanks.
free and you want to call me, you can call me, but just leave a message. And if I will be free, definitely I will back you message and you can talk to me. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I found the English conversation partner. So I am very lucky having you. So I got a partner.
Okay, no problem. Yes, no. Okay, I
So
am always
English
with
is, sir,
them. Those
English
who,
is necessary.
yes,
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 yes.
yeah.
Continue.
I am always with them. Those who want to learn English, those who are beginner, especially. I am not with them. Their level is advanced because they are, already very good at English. So I am with beginners because most of the beginners they don't have any platform to practice. So
Yes, yes, yes.
I am giving the platform, and if they are free or they want to be fluent, they can join me. There's no even uh, I give my WhatsApp number in the description box in my
Yes,
video.
yes, yes. Yes. Sir, I think conversation is a big problem.
In
Conversation
English.
is big problem in English. So it is my big problem because NTA net. Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
You were speaking something. Continue. Yeah. What do you want? Yeah. Start.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
you were saying to me.
I have qualified.
Yeah. Uh, you
Yes,
were saying
continue,
you
sir.
said this is the big problem for the beginners, those who wanted to learn English because they don't have a
Yes,
speaking partner, good speaking partner. That's why this is the basic problem. If
yes,
you
yes,
have good speaking partner, definitely that person can help you to reach out your goal. You also can be fluent. If you don't have a speaking partner, you will translate or you whatever you want to say or express, you will say everything in your mind. You will not, speak out before anyone.
yes, yes.
So without speaking, you cannot be a good speaker. And if you want to be fluent, definitely you will have to speak before the person, public, anyhow.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is your
Uh,
qualification?
yes,
That's why
sir.
I'm asking. What is your qualification?
Yes, sir. I done MAd.
Yeah.
I
But
done MAd with as well as UGC net qualified.
UGC net, you have qualified?
UGC net
Great.
qualified. Yes.
Okay, great.
So so that sir, English is necessary for me because
Okay,
after PhD interview.
okay. In PhD interview.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
I
yes.
can hear you.
PhD interview for only for English conversation. It's not Bengali. So I am Bengali medium student. I know Bengali, but
Yeah.
Hindi English is not well. So
Oh,
I applied the JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, for PhD.
okay.
So English is necessary for me for PhD.
For PhD.
So I would like to speak English with you
Okay. You want to
and
learn English.
conversation with you.
Yeah. Okay. I am always with you,
Yes,
and
yes,
I fully support every person those who want to learn English. There is no problem, and I will give my number, WhatsApp number, in the description box. Those who are beginner, they can message me, and I can teach them. Yeah. So no problem. No.
yes, sir. First time your description box, your WhatsApp number. So
Yes.
first
Yes.
time I contact you WhatsApp number.
Yeah. That's why I give my
Yes, sir.
number always. So you
Sir,
want to pause
have you?
PhD? Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. What do you want to?
Yes, sir.
Have you?
Pardon, sir.
Ha, you were asking
Yes,
something?
sir. No, no, sir. You asked me, sir.
Uh, I was telling. I am not asking that just because of PhD, do you want to pass in the PhD? That's why you are learning English. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
PhD interview.
yes, sir.
Don't
Yes.
worry.
PhD
So
interview
you
as well as assistant.
assistant.
So, sir, appointed the assistant professor for English is necessary.
Okay. So if you try hard or if you practice every day with any speaking partner, definitely you will be fluent. There is no problem. And it is not a big deal for any person, those who are beginner, as I know. But you will have to be continue. And if you want to learn, this is my personal suggestion to you, to all guys. If you are saying that, oh, that person is
Yes, sir.
speaking very fluent, so definitely that person tried very hard. That's why that person is
Yes, sir.
speaking very well. Yeah. So if you want to appreciate every person, you can appreciate. But if you want to be like them, so you will have to work on it.
Yes, sir.
So do you have any other
You
question?
know, yes, sir. You know English language as well as Hindi.
Yes.
You know any other? Have you know
No.
any other language?
Yeah. Means you can say, do you know any other language? Your question should be like this.
Do you
Do
know?
you know?
Yes, yes,
Do you
yes,
know
yes,
any
sir.
other language?
Do you know any other language?
No, I don't know. I know only Hindi and English. Yeah, as Hindi is our native language,
Yes.
mother tongue, so I know Hindi very well, and I know English also.
Do you know something Bengali?
No, I don't know because I have never been to Paschim Bengal. Yeah, but I want to visit in all the
Paschim Bengal.
states. Yeah, but it is very difficult. So,
Have you
do you know
visited
Hindi?
West Bengal?
No, I have never been there, but I want to visit. Yeah.
Uh,
So,
yes, yes,
have you
yes.
ever been to your
I know here Bengal. No, just Jharkhand.
Jharkhand? Okay, you
Yes,
visited
I
Jharkhand.
visited Jharkhand. First, I would like to visit it around the world.
Around the world. Oh my god.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So if you have any other questions, so you can ask me. Otherwise, I will have to disconnect this call as we are
Yes,
already
sir.
running out of the
So
time.
your suggestion is good. So of course, I will try your uh, your suggestion.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay. Keep following, keep loving, keep supporting, guys. And thank you.
Yes,
Thanks
of
for giving
course.
me your time also. And yeah. And definitely, whenever you are free, you can make a call to me. I am free for my viewers, for my subscribers. Okay. So bye bye. Good
Okay,
night.
sir. Okay, sir. Bye bye. Good night.